Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Duo Mobile to Instagram. For this, first of all, just open up the Instagram application here and then simply tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here and go for these three bars in the top right corner. Now tap on the first option, Account Center, and if you scroll down, you will see this option, Password and Security. Tap on it. Tap on this two-factor authentication. After that, what you can see is you can choose your security method. You can use any method, but we recommend using an authenticator application. Click on next, and this is how you can connect by either scanning the barcode or entering the code manually. What you need to do is you first need to download the authenticator app. If you don't have one, we recommend downloading Duo Mobile. So if you don't have an account, make an account on this Duo Mobile here. Download this Duo Mobile application, and after that you can connect here or scan this barcode shown on your screen in the authentication app and then copy and paste it, and then it will tell you to write your password to confirm the setup. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.